At this stage of the workflow, we will continue with the processing of the Censo Arboreo de Cali database. At this point, we will migrate the tree census data to a relational database in PostgreSQL with the PostGIS extension for geographic data support. To do this, we will open the pgadmin software. Which is a graphical interface for the database management in PostgreSQL, and create a new database. We assign a name to our database that is going to be the repository where we will manage all the data of the project. We assign the name Cali Biodiversa. The data type is UTF-8, and the template with the spatial data support is PostGIS, that is to say, with the spatial data support. When displaying the database in the control panel, we see the information in the public schema, where we can find the functions of the PostGIS extension for spatial database support, and the table with the spatial relationships of the geographic coordinate systems included. We enter QGIS and add a PostGIS layer. For it, we activate the tool to add layers or PostGIS tables. We create a new connection with the local PostgreSQL server. To that connection, we give the name Cali Biodiversa. We connect with the local server, the port 5432, and we enter the database name that we have just created. We test the connection, enter the authentication credentials, and the server will confirm that the connection to the Cali Biodiversa database was successful. We give the order to accept. Now we are going to connect to the database. We go to the menu bar and activate the database manager. Connect to a PostGIS database in public schema, which displays the tables of vector and raster geometry supported. We proceed to import the Censo Arboreo de Cali database. Which we have in shapefile format to our PostGIS database. We assign a name to the table that we are going to create in PostGIS, Censo Arboreo. We name the column of point type geometry. We define the output coordinate system as Magnacirgas Colombia Oeste with the 3115 EPSG code. The character encoding is as UTF-8, and assign a name to the primary key. We give the command accept, and the local server tells us that the data migration was successful.